All over the world, and in some of the most challenging conditions, submarine networks are playing a key role in the global connectivity revolution. The enormous capacity these networks carry truly connects continents, and here in London this week, the leading players are gathered for Submarine Networks EMEA. The challenges, the strategies and the opportunities are among the discussions taking place. So why is this event so significant?
NGFX finds value in coming to this show in specific because it's global in nature. It's an opportunity for us to meet 100 different companies and catch up with them on what their latest initiatives are.
Subnetworks Europe is a great show. It's very educational, that's its focus. Many shows around the world deal with just networking and traditions of swapping capacity. This is educational. It's critical for our industry and for Sienna that we can share learnings, technical views, and then make sure that as we evolve our business, and that includes more people coming in and the diversity aspect, and we all learn from that instead of just accepting our own individual information. So it's a great show, and it's one that we need to keep fostering and driving forward.
It's quite an important event for us. I've been there in last year, I'm here and I'll be back most probably next year. It's an event which is rather small compared to other events there is in this world, and the way it's set up increases the level of informal interaction we have with all the partners and customers that LLing needs to meet. It's a great event, we like the format, and for sure I'll be back next year.
Submarine Networks EMEA, even though Seaborne is a traditionally a mainly Americas focused company, we do have a global interest in what goes on. We do have partners and providers, vendors, in some cases competitors, but they're also partners too, where the ability to spend 2 or 3 days in a focused and concentrated environment where we get valuable time with one another means that we can plan around cooperation, around new projects, new products, how we work together almost in an isolated fashion from the rest of our day-to-day world, without having to go to 14 different countries or 20 different places and have meetings over months and months. We can get all that done in 2 days, and that's really critical to us.
Coming to conferences like that is very important for us, and it's very efficient use of our time, because all our customers gather here, and instead of going and visit all of them at their places, we can very efficiently use 2 or 3 days and develop both networking opportunities but also business meetings, of course.
For Viavi, there are primarily 2 reasons for being at an event like this. It's a perfect opportunity to do networking, because I think there is hardly to find another venue that have that many experts being around in that small area. Number 1, and number 2, of course, we as a test equipment manufacturer also want to expose our solution to our customers to show what is the latest and greatest and how we can help them to solve their problems.